Yeah, hello.
Yes, yes, Neha.
Yes, Pradeep sir. So, shall we start, sir?
Yes, yes, we are waiting.
Okay, all right. I was, waiting for your consent.
No, 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 please.
Okay, all right. So, hello, everyone. My name is Neha, and in today's session, I'm going to talk about like how to communicate in a impressive, not impressive, in an expressive manner. Because there is a myth, like people start there, like we want to talk in English in an impressive way, but that's a wrong thing. We have to talk in an expressive way, right? So and in today's session I'll discuss, or I'll share some of the tricks, or we can say tips, how to communicate expressively. And for that, I'm gonna share my screen with you, and I'll share a very short story of two guys, right? And here we go. Yeah, here is a story of Chintu as well as Mintu. On the right side, there is Chintu, who is really very happy, and on the left hand side, there is Mintu, who is a little bit sad. Do you guys know what's the reason? Like why one is really very happy and other one is not so happy? Anybody? Yeah. Anybody wants to tell that why? Guess, like why is one is Chintu is happy, but Mintu is not so happy. Hi Pradeep sir.
I think I Mintu leg is closed, yeah, something like that. His leg is tied. Maybe actually,
Okay. All right. You know, as I can judge with smile of Chintu that he's really very happy with his life, right? And because he's enjoying his personal as well as professional life. Personal life, like he has cordial relationships, and at professional, if I talk about professionalism, he is going good. He is doing good over there also. And the reason is because Chintu has very expressive communication skills. On the other hand, Mintu is just struggling with that. And when I talk to when I talk to Chintu, that what's the reason? Like on which things he focus while talk to people. So he shared some of the things with me. For example, he told me that he tried to express himself and he chose the words wisely and try to communicate confidently, right? On the other hand, when I talk to Mintu, He told me that he just tried to impress. He tried to speak, very good English. He tried to use very impressive words, very big words, right? So that's why what happened, to impress people, he sometimes got confused, like what to talk and what not to talk. And that's why as a result he fumble, and people do not take him seriously. So the thing, this was a story of Chintu and Mintu. Now I have another character, right? Who's relating, I'm relating him to myself and the people who are present over here. And you guys can relate him with you too. And yeah, here we have another character, that is Pintu. Pintu has got his dream job, right? For some reasons, he has decided to join that job in next 30 days, right? He has everything. He is really very smart, as we can see. Nice hairstyle, nice eyes, and good shoes, as well as good clothes, outfit. But the thing is, he want he's lacking somewhere while communicating to others. So that's why he decided that in next 30 days, I challenge myself, like I need to work on the things where I'm lacking. But he don't know like where he's lacking, what are his good points, what are his bad points. So that's why he decided to take an assessment test. And these are the parameters on which he is going to assess himself. For example, fluency and grammar, vocabulary, and coherence. And but some of us don't know like what fall under the category of fluency. And if I talk about fluency, that we need to speak confidently, and our words should be simple, and it should be expressive, right? We do not fumble, right? Moreover, when we need to, the very good thing about fluency is we take short pauses. That's why we can assess that our fluency is good. Moreover, whenever he has to take pauses, at that time he concentrate on fillers that he use. For example, if I'm talking, my name is Neha, um, uh, my qualification is MSc IT. So in this one, two statements, I have taken pauses, but whenever I have taken poses, I used filler like uh, 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 right? So we need to overcome these things, and we need to overcome, or we can say replace these fillers by some good words. Moreover, connectors like moreover, as a result, in at the end, all these are some of the connectors or fillers that we can use while speaking to reduce the pauses. And the next thing is grammar. Grammar, it's a, we can say that if someone has good grammar, it has a good impact on his communication skills, right? And vocabulary is something like we do, in the beginning we need not to focus on vocabulary. Whatever words are there in your pocket, right? So if I just start with that, because if I talk about a very simple, if I'll take a very simple example, I know that the meaning of agile active is agile. Agile looks more formal, and it sounds high frequency word. But in the beginning, if I'm not fluent and I'm struggling with grammar too, I just need to stick with active, right? And once I'm confident, I'm fluent, then I can replace the words, low frequency words with the high frequency words, right? So next thing, what is coherence? And if I talk about coherence, it's a talk sense, right? Talk sense means, yeah, you are fluent, you have good grammar too, and luckily, you know some high frequency words also. What what's the meaning of coherence? Coherence means talk logically, right? For example, if I talk you, if I ask you about China, you do not speak about Japan. So it should be about China only. So that is the meaning of coherence. So this Pinto has taken test and he has assessed his fluency, grammar, vocabulary, coherence, right? And then the first thing that how to assess that, who is going to help you out, or you are the only one who is going to assess yourself, right? So that's why Pinto thought of an idea, right? So he's not going to someone like who is gonna assess him and tell him his mistakes and all, but yeah, that's the other way too, but he started with a very simple way, and that is a mobile phone. Like he started making his video while he's speaking, right? Earlier we had an option like just talk about, just stand in front of the mirror and start talking. But that time that option was good also, but here we have an alternative, right? So we can take help of our mobile phone, we can make videos while we are speaking. Right now if I talk about myself, now I'm thinking like I'm doing my best. Yeah, nothing, there's nothing mistake I have made while I'm speaking. But at the end when this video will be uploaded, when I'll be looking at that, I'm hearing this or listening each and everything in every slide, then I'll get to know, okay, at that particular slide I made this grammatical mistake, right? So that's the best way to assess yourself and have a record of things, like okay, because while talking we are not that much aware that what we have talked and where we missed something. So this is a very amazing tool that we can use while assessing ourselves. And this is a assessment report that the marks Pinto has given himself. Like fluency, it's okay. Out of 10, he got 8. And grammar, it's okay. 8 out of 10. Vocabulary, yeah, I saw it. Like he has not some high frequency words in his pocket, but it's okay. And the most important part, coherence. He has knowledge about the things that he is saying. Like we can hold people if you are going to talk sense, right? And I think this is a good marks, the very good report card. So 8859, like once he is fluent, he is confident, like he can anytime increase his marks in vocabulary, right? And yeah, this was all about taking an assessment test. And one more thing we can include while uh, practicing. Now the thing is how to practice. We can take help of our this group that we have, Mr. Pradeep Yadav. Yeah, we can join this group because every we have impressive sessions over here. Moreover, day to day on daily basis we got some topics on which each and every person share his views, right? And that's, I think that's the amazing thing that we are doing from last 6 months. So, and so after doing that, Mr. Pinto worked on his grammar a little bit because he required only a little bit, more things in grammar fluency and vocabulary. So after that, once he has worked on 30 days on these 4 parameters, let's see what was his reaction or what was his experience at the workplace. So he's saying everything went well, so he's happy too. So this was a story of Mintu as well as Chintu Pintu. Yeah. So thank you so much. This was all about a little bit session from myself.
Okay, so anybody have any type of question, so you can ask to Mrs. Neha, and it was really remarkable session. We have came to know various thing, and also time to time I posted message in group whenever you post your audio, try to listen yourself also, so you can find your mistake where you are making mistake. As like Mrs. Neha mentioned, when she go to see this video on YouTube, so she can find where she has make a mistake. So also we can do, whenever you post audio in group, try to listen yourself also, so you can find yes you are doing great or not. And here we are not going to force you to speak, so I am requesting, please try to speak at least on one topic, so you can be habitual. At least practice make man perfect, as we know. So here we are only for practicing, and also we are arranging some session on grammar, so we can improve our grammar. Also we can minimize our grammatical mistake. And also there are many point which is mentioned by Mrs. Nair, that was really great. So if anybody have any questions, so you please ask, because Devi Bhai, Kavita, Manisha, Pooja, please you can raise your question. So yes, one by
Yeah,
one.
I don't have any questions, but I just acknowledge that what she have covered on topic, that is self-assessment. That is really very important. So we should assessment ourselves. Then only we understand what is our mistake, where we are lacking, and how can we improve ourselves. And that period also 30 days or 60 days she had mentioned. So that is good actually. Yeah, something I understood, that yeah, we can assess ourselves. Even we can see the companies, they do annual basis or quarterly basis, but we should do ourselves on daily basis, where we are now and where we are tomorrow. So yeah, that is important. So that she covered. Yeah, I got it. Yeah,
Yes, Devi Bhai, self-assessment is must required, because
yeah,
without
correct.
self-assessment we cannot where we are making mistake, because 80% 90% people we are making mistake. That is not issue. At least we are doing something,
Yeah,
then we are making mistake. If you do not do
correct.
anything, then how you can make mistake? So mistake is also important. Firstly, you have just start to making mistake, then you can speak. Because in group, there are a lot of people, but some people are only in this group, they think without speaking they can speak. That is not going to
Yeah,
happen. Firstly you have to come forward and speak, because there are many guys, as you
yeah,
can take example of Kavita, Manisha, Pooja, they are speaking daily, means they are doing practice, and that practice is going to improve them. So as okay, so Pooja, Manisha, Kavita ma'am, if you have any question, please ask, because we have 20 minutes to discuss.
Okay. First of all, thanks for the impressive session, ma'am. And I want to ask one question, that when it comes to speak English, usually we start exaggerating things. So how to speak to the point? We should not bust around the beat. We should speak to the point. So do you have any tips?
Yeah. Yeah, the very first thing that I have started this session with, try to explain yourself in the very shortly. We have to impress others. Okay, if I speak two lines instead of one line, only the other person is going to impress or understand ourselves, right? So we need to make the things shorter, right? If you have to, because in English, it's okay while writing there are different things. While if I talk about IELTS, they judge people if they are making the things a little bit impressive by turning the tables, right? So but while speaking, you need to make the things shorter and crisp, at least.
Neha, just I want to add up a point here. What happens
Yes.
sometimes, two or three people are talking to each other, and you are third one or fourth one. You also want
Yeah.
to speak in between. Sometimes what happen, we did not find any word how to start. So what I feel, just try to still with, a simple point. Yes, I agree with you. Then you can start. Basically, you have to build up some confidence. Yes, you are comfortable. To be comfortable, firstly, means yes, you are right. Suppose you are saying you are right, then you can speak. And if you are
Yeah.
thinking you can speak directly, so sometimes this is not possible, because we are learner and we are
But
not so much
sir,
expert.
if you are sir, if you are talking about confidence,
Yes.
then I think when we know that we are speaking correct English, then we'll have confidence.
Actually, Manisha,
Sometimes we
just
don't
for
know whether
Manisha,
what we are
Manisha,
speaking is,
yes, Manisha, just
yeah.
listen. If you want to speak, so please forget the grammar, forget the everything.
Exactly.
If you are stick in grammar, so it will take so much time to speak. Because you know what happened when we are going to start speaking, we think yes, we are making mistake because we are doing some grammatical mistake. So sometimes when we start, just stop what people will say, just forget everything, just try to speak. One day you make mistake, 2 day you make mistake, after 3 to 4 days you start speaking. There are many example in this group also. I know I make mistakes, but every time I try to overcome that mistake. And why? uh, there was a session which is taken by Subhangi about present tense.
Mm.
Till now I used to say I am doing from this, but I have realized I am making mistake. I should have used, no, I have been doing since, I have been doing for. Then I started, yes, after this I will always speak as like this, कि I have been doing for 2 hours, I have been doing since Monday, something like that. Then we can improve gradually. If you want to within one day you can achieve everything, that is not possible. And just please forget everything about grammar. Only you have to remember present tense, past tense,
Yeah,
future tense.
exactly. I'm very
That
much
is enough.
agree with your point.
Hmm.
If I take my example, I'll not talk about any other one. I'll take only my example because the very first thing that when I made my mind that now I need to work on myself, I need to work on my English, right? So the very first thing that came in my mind that I need to start speaking. Doesn't matter what's my vocabulary I'm using, where I'm lacking in grammar, because I commit on this platform that till date I lack in grammar, and I'm continuously, because I know what is my loophole where I'm lacking. Yeah, that is a grammar. I use sometimes, till now, sometimes I use do in place of does, and does in place of do. I know that. I'm working on that. But if you can hear me, you will say, "Oh, she possesses very nice and impressive communication skills. She is best." But no, I know that, and I'm working on that. But I have accepted that, and I have started with whatever I had in my pocket.
You
Ma'am,
know,
how long it took you to learn English? How long it took you?
I didn't, remember that when I started speaking, because I studied in English medium, undoubtedly, but still things were not so impressive or at that place. After when the thing that I realized, no, I'm lacking in English, it was my job, right? When I need to give presentation, I need to talk to international students. At that point, I get to know, okay, there's a need of fluency, as well as I need to improve my communication skills, right? And then earlier I used 10 lines. If I spoke 10 lines, then I spoke 9 lines in Hindi, I started with one line, one statement in English. Second day I started using 2 lines at least in English. Then the results are in front of you. I
Manish,
didn't think like I have to speak each and everything. What will people think? Like, she is speaking, she is teacher, she is a lecturer, and she is using Hindi. No, it's okay. I accepted myself. Yeah, that's
okay,
it.
Manisha, that's why we have started session on grammar, so we can also focus on the grammar where we are making mistake. As like, what I am mentioning, have been, has been, I have started using that. Whenever I have to use, मैं कर रहा हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, so I
Hmm.
will going to use this. I have been working since this, working for 2 hours. Then I can improve. So it will take some time. Within one day, this is not possible. Manisha, you are doing great. Only build up some confidence. Your speaking is very good.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yes.
know
Okay.
it's
So
not a overnight process.
yes, Amit bhai, you have raised hand. That's why.
Yes, yes. Actually, see, today means I was so delighted the way the Neha had presented herself, okay, and she delivered the today's session. It was amazing and lyrish and informative. Now why I'm saying that informative, because she has pointed the 2 points. One is the suppose if you want to deliver something, so you should be a slow, because I still remember, when I had delivered, so that time I was too fast and I was not uh, realized that how much I was fast. So today I realized it that whenever if I want to deliver something, so I should be, take a pause. So even if you want to take a pause, so the Neha is given the two words, moreover and but. So these are the things. So no one will consider it that you are fumbling or something. So these are the two tricks that I like very much. And whenever I will slow down my speed, okay, because I don't know how fast I talk too fast, but sometimes I do a fumble also. So now in that case, what I will do, I will use but and more. So thank you for that, and the session was really great, and hope that the you we will have such a great the session in the future too. So thank you
Yes,
Thank
so
you
much
so
yes.
for
much,
the
sir.
We are
Yes,
planning
yes.
next
Thank you
week
so much.
also. We are planning for next week
Yeah.
also. No,
Yes.
because
Yes.
we have Subhangi next week. Devi Bhai is also going to take some very good session, and
Yeah.
Neha is, because it was really nice session. Actually, no, I am try to arrange some session on phonetics and pronunciation, so we can improve how the twist the tongue. Actually, I'm searching some people, but till now I'm not getting. But hopefully, I know Amit Bhai, you have mentioned yes, we try to lower our fluency. You know what happened in this case? At least we can think what we have to speak next. And sometimes what happened, we are speaking in so fluent and we did not get any word what next we have to speak. So at least that pause, create some time, and within that time we can find some new words. So if anybody have any questions, so please. And if anybody want to say
Hi.
something, yes, yes,
First of all, thank you for Nega.
yes.
First of all, thank you for Nega for a very good session. I have no questions, but self-assessment is must and important. So I will try it. Once again, thank you, Nega.
thank you so much. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay. So
at the end, I want to include one more point. That is, I think that plays an important role. Here we got a chance that I hadn't got in my past life. That I have, I can see I have 12 person, right? 12 person, including me over here, and I got chance to speak in front of 11 persons, and I'm grabbing that opportunity by turning my camera on, right? So it boosts my confidence because while talking to you, I'm making eye contact with Amit sir, with Pradeep sir, and it boosts my confidence that when I'll go out and I can talk to other people, like I can talk to males and I can talk to them by looking into their eyes, because over here I have practiced by turning on my camera. So after, while this video will be uploading, I can see that what was my face expression, because communication is not only about what you are talking about and how you are the thing that matters also how you are talking. So it's really very important to smile a little if you are giving some session, and while you are talking to your seniors, so you should also aware of your face expression. So it here I got we got chance, so I'm grabbing the opportunity.
Mrs. Neha, smile is that is very important thing. When you smile before going to speak, means you have confidence you can speak. And if you go inside mood or something, then you feel yes, if I will speak, then I can make mistake. So just be smile and then try to speak as our Amit Bhai always do, Devi Bhai always do. So these are some very good guy here. So we are doing great. At least we are speaking now. That's why. And I am not focusing on mistake because everybody is making mistake, but that is okay. Yes, that is going fine. At least No, if I am speaking, you are understanding me, means that is okay. Yes, I am conveying my message in a good way. So I think anybody have no any question. So we are going to end up this session. So thank you, Neha. Again, it was remarkable session. I have no answer to how I can express my happiness about this session. You know, Amit Bhai session was great. Subhangi, that was also great. You were also great. So now we have 4 to 5 person. So we can engage, we can learn. So thank you again. Thank
Actually, each and
yes.
every person over here has, stamina and capability, but something is resisting them, right? So we are setting an example. If we will talk, if we will give session, they will also boost up because they have stamina, they have capabilities, they will come up, but after some time,
Yes,
definitely.
Mrs. Neha, we are planning for this. That's why next week I have requested to Devi Bhai, please take a session. And maybe I'm going to request Sneha, Tina, and we have many guys. So whoever, actually I'm searching for volunteer. They just come forward and say, yes, I am ready to take it. So no, because they have to improve. So maybe Devi Bhai, please.
Yeah, definitely. I will take one session on next week. Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
meanwhile, Neha, pass my regards to Chintu, Mintu, and one more character. What was
Yeah,
that?
yes, sir. That is not issue. You have to take. We are here to listen you. Okay, because every
Yeah,
session is going to give something. Whatever
correct.
you are
Yeah.
going to take, you can take on MAC address, physical address. There is no problem.
Devi
Also,
bro,
you
are you
can
not pointing
take a
to
class on
the
Python
Pradeep bro, na?
programming, HTML.
Huh?
You are ready to listen this. Yes.
No, are you
Yeah.
not pointing to the Pradeep bro, na?
No, no, no.
I have doubt. I feel that you're pointing to the Pradeep bro. That's why.
No, never.
You
Okay,
can point
fine,
No,
anything.
that I was talking about that character that Neha was brought up, like Chintu, Mintu, and one more I was
Pintu,
forget. What is that character?
Pintu.
Pintu.
Pintu. That was.
No, actually PPT was really good. Yeah, no, the way
Yeah,
the
really.
design that was really remarkable. Because
Uh,
by
when I got your call at 7,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
I just started creating it.
No,
So it
actually,
was a, result of 1 hour only.
okay. Since morning I was not getting any response because we have planned a
I
session
was
and
really
they.
very busy with my things.
Okay,
I
okay,
was
that is
really
not issue.
very.
Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you Devi Bhai, Amit Bhai, Kavita
Thank you.
ma'am, Vikas, Subhangi. Just thank you to everyone to joining this session. Thank you. Just enjoy on
Oh,
Sunday. Maybe next week
Thank you,
we
Nega.
have two session by Subhangi, that is past tense and future tense. Then Devi Bhai. Then we are searching for some fun activity. Let's plan. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you again.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye all.
thank you all
Thank
of
you,
you. Good
Nega.
Thank
night.
you,
Thank you,
Neha.
guys.
Yeah.
Good
Thank